Okay, guys, here we go. Rain Song Part 4, the outro. Beautiful part of the song, probably my favorite part of the song. As I mentioned in Part 3. So let's get into it. So first chord, we're taking the first finger on the 5th fret and barring it on the 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, and 3rd finger's on the 7th fret. We're sliding it up a full step. And then doing a hammer-on from the 1st finger on the 7th fret to the 9th fret back to a pull-off on that same 7th fret to the 2nd string. So okay, let's do that again. Move that chord back down to where it started. Take the 3rd finger off. So you're doing, let's do that again. It's a little confusing right there, so let's do it. Take the 3rd finger off, go down to the 1st, 2nd, 3rd string, back up to 2nd and 1st, and then play the 3rd finger on the 7th fret, 1st string one more time. Actually, I'm going to take that back. I strum those 4 strings together. I don't individually pick that. I go and then play the 3rd finger, 7th fret, 1st string. And I go back to one of these shapes. Remember this from previously? From the B section of the verse. This is where knowledge of this chord shape and this chord shape come in handy, because now we're starting to climb up the neck. So watch this. Okay. So right there we did 10. It's all on the 1st string here. 10, 8, 10. 12, slide all the way off the guitar. So again, those chord shapes, that starts on the 2nd finger, 5th fret on the 5th string. The 1st finger is barring the 3rd and 2nd string on the 4th fret, 3rd and 2nd string, and the 3rd finger is on the 5th fret, 1st string. And that other chord shape is 3rd finger on the 4th fret, 1st finger 4th fret, 5th string, 1st finger barring the 2nd fret on the 3rd and 2nd string, and the 1st finger on the 4th fret, 1st string. So climb, 1st shape, 2nd shape, 1st shape, 2nd shape. Okay, now we have kind of like another F shape here, except we're not barring the 1st finger in this F shape like you would in the standard tuning on the 1st and 2nd strings. We have the 3rd finger on the 7th fret, 4th string, 2nd finger on the 6th fret, 3rd string, and 1st finger on the 5th fret, 2nd string. So we're doing 5, 4, 3, 2, and then we're adding the pinky on the 7th fret, hitting the 2nd string, taking the pinky off and hitting the 2nd string again. So it's pinky on, pinky off, pinky on, pinky on, pinky off. Okay, let's do that again. Pinky on, pinky off, pinky on, pinky off. Take the same shape, move it up to the next set of strings. So instead of 4, 3, 2, we're going 3, 2, 1, and we're going to put the pinky on the 7th fret, 1st string, and immediately hit all 4 strings and do a pull-off. It's a really cool kind of medievalish kind of tuning in general, and kind of a medieval kind of Renaissance fair kind of sound right here, honestly, in this part. So 2nd string, 3rd string, up to 1st string. We're going down to the 2nd fret on the 1st string, hitting 4 strings again. Doing a pull off to the open 1st string, 2nd string, 3rd string, back to open 1st string. Then we go back to that 3, 2, 1 staircase shape again on the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st strings, 3rd finger on the 5th fret, second finger on the 4th fret 2nd string, first finger on the 3rd fret 1st string, with that pinky going back to that 1st string. This time it's on the 5th fret instead of the 7th fret from the previous shape that looked like this. So you're pulling off to the 3rd fret, going 2nd string, 2nd string, 1st string, 2nd string, 3rd string. So again, that's 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Then we're doing open 4th, check this part out. Open 4, open 3, 3rd fret on the 1st string, and then open 1st string. And then we're doing 4th fret on the 5th string, open 3rd string, and then 2nd fret on the 1st string, and then open 1st string. So you just have this. Then you put your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret 5th string, and your 3rd finger on the 2nd fret 2nd string. A little out of tune there, let's fix that. So it's, you get that nice kind of octave sound right there. Kind of same notes on 2 different strings, right? Kind of those 3 notes blend together really nice, so it's, an A, what would be like again, a lot of these chords are recognizable shapes in standard tuning. This would be like an A shape, an A chord, but you're using 2nd, 3rd, and 4th fingers. Mainly so you can get that top open string in there. So that last little 3-chord sequence, guitar has a little bit of delay at the end of that, kind of bounces back a few times, right? So let's go through that whole outro again. I'll play it really slow, okay? So we have, realize I messed up that intro a little bit, so it's the 3rd fret right there, watch. 2nd fret, and then your A shape. Alright guys, that was the Rain song. Thank you for watching this video. We are the Rock Youth School of Music. If anyone has any ideas for future tutorials or any other comments, please leave them below. Thank you so much, and we'll see you for the next round of videos.